Recreational marijuana sales become legal in California on January 1st. That's just months away, and yet there are many regulations that are still not in place. What does that mean for businesses and investors and consumers?
And here to break it down is Aaron Lachant, an attorney with Nelson Hardiman. Thanks so much for joining us, Aaron.
My pleasure.
That. Okay, so you're a member of the LA County Advisory Working Group on Cannabis Regulation. Didn't even know that existed, but what are you working on that right now?
I am helping Los Angeles area commercial cannabis businesses get ready for licensing at the local level through the city of Los Angeles and the state of California. It's going to be a long process, and so there's a lot of work being done in anticipation for that.
Yeah, because we're finding out that not all of LA cities have their regulations finalized. What's this? How is this not happening?
So the city of Los Angeles has been working really hard on it, and it's through no fault of their own. This is a monumental task. They are regulating an industry from the ground up from the first time. There's no cookie cutter set of rules. And so they are putting together regulations, but with less than 60 days to go, we still don't have a structure in place. And with a January 1st deadline fast approaching, the legal commercial cannabis businesses need local permits from the city in order to get state licenses by January 1st.
Wow. Okay. So how is this going to affect businesses? Do you think there's going to be plenty of shops open? Or?
So I imagine there'll be plenty of shops open. That's never been a problem here in Los Angeles. But come January 1st, state law requires that all commercial cannabis businesses have state temporary license, and in order to get one, you need to have a local permit. So everyone's looking at the city, waiting with bated breath for the regulations to drop and to begin the process of getting the local permit to get the temporary state license.
Well, let's talk about West Hollywood and why they're sort of doing it right.
West Hollywood has always been on the forefront in this issue. Locally, they were the first city to regulate medical cannabis dispensaries, but they're in the process of passing an ordinance that would allow for 8 adult use dispensaries. But more importantly, they're the first city locally to take on-site consumption. They're going to have 8 localities where folks can consume edible cannabis as well as smoke edible cannabis. 8 edible, 8 for smoking. And it's the first for the area, and it's important because we have 50 million people visiting LA County a year, and some of them are going to want to take place in adult use marijuana, and for them to have a place to go to is a wonderful thing.
Interesting. It's going to be like Amsterdam.
It's going to be like a little Amsterdam in West Hollywood.
So do you think LA might follow suit?
LA is exploring it. LA County may explore it. I think they're going to be a little slower than West Hollywood as they've tended to be on these issues, but everyone is looking at it.
Wow, that's big news to
interesting.
hear that.
Yeah.
I mean, I can
hard to
see
imagine.
It's hard to imagine, but I can see a lot of people are going to like that camaraderie there. So, well, Aaron, thank you so much for joining us, opening our eyes to this. January 1st, very much fast approaching. And for more information about his firm, go to nelsonhardiman.com.
Look forward to hearing how it all transpires and figure out what they're going to do. All right, thank you so much.